Good morning. It's a good morning because the night is finally over.
Oh, what a craphead night.
Fletcher's shirt is backwards and inside out.
I'm changing it now for you.
Wow, what a night.
That was horrific night.
Like 40 billion degrees in the tent. And then we finally decided we didn't want to feel like the inside of a toaster strudel. So we took our tarp off. And then Katrina got frightened by 3 enormous frogs that she thought were mice. So my back is very sore today because I didn't sleep a lot. And then it started to rain, so we had to get out and get the tarp back on.
Yeah, and
Fletcher was still asleep and couldn't find the light. He was having a dream where he'd been paddling for 48 hours and Tim told him he wasn't allowed to take a nap. So our last night, we're glad it was our last night. Oh my goodness, am I darker than my orange shirt?
Yeah.
I look pretty close to, that's concerning. We're gonna go fishing now and hopefully make up for the night. Well, of course, it's beautiful and sunny and raining. Oh, there we go.
Daniel got a shish.
Hello.
Got another bike.
Pike, do 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 do, baby pike, do 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 do. Barely hooked, do 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 do, baby pike.
Baby pike, do 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 do, baby pike, do 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 do.
Couple of baby pikes. I think Fletcher's got a smallmouth bass somehow.
Whoa!
Oh wow!
That
A
one.
nice one. Woo. Oh, and Fletcher burnt his neck.
I have neck boils.
They're kind of healed actually. That's like the sunscreen there, but his skin is gone. Wow.
How big is that?
Large.
Okay, welcome to our campsite. This is our canoe. That's a canoe. Come up here, you're like, oh, what's this up here? It's the fireplace. And then, see this right here, that's our tarp. We keep dry things under there. A little table there, it's pretty good. That's Katrina, she cooks, she's pretty good. This is a log. Pail lid. Tim's building a good fire. I'm proud of you, Tim. Here's a bucket, it's got some bread in it. That's a cooking bucket. That's a table. That's a tent. That's a tent. Anything else, Dan?
Well, we don't have a fish anymore because there is an
Big size.
a nice sized snapping turtle chowing down on our baby pike.
Way to pick him up, Tim.
You could. Get him from the back. Try it. Okay, so here goes Tim. Snapper catcher extraordinaire.
Don't let him eat your feet.
He just might. That is a big snapper. Wow. Amazing. Good job, Timmy. Timmy, rip
Oh,
it.
look at his, it's like...
Oh, that's disgusting. That's so awesome. Oh! Oh! Oh, that reeks. Okay, get rid of him.
Release video.
Bye, buddy. Oh, that smells so bad. Our big buddy has gone bye-bye, but there's a small painted turtle that is very difficult to see. See him? He's a painted turtle. He's like, nom nom, delish fish. We are eating breakfast. Finally, it's delicious. Happy. And so are the turtles, and they are both happy. We're gonna have an early lunch around 11, but for now, quick little fishing sesh with the boys. With the boys.
Haven't caught anything yet, though.
Not yet. I've been dropped off, but there's some crazy jumping action happening over here. There was some huge jumps you guys missed. But... Pike? Baz.
What?
Oh, I lost him.
Tim has a bass. It's a smallmouth one. Sure you don't want the net? Daniel's over on the rock.
Waldo. I haven't caught a Waldo since I was Fletcher's age. I've only caught one walleye in my life, and it was an accident.
That's 4 years ago.
That's a long time ago. This is my personal best walleye.
Look at that cutie pie.
Beautiful walleye, actually.
It's a good
He's
one.
an eater. Done our little fishing session. This is our beautiful island. Katrina's on there somewhere.
We are leaving a glorious camp spot. We're gonna get some bike.
We're gonna get a couple of small guys,
Some bike.
say hello to them, eat them.
Sounds pretty good to me.
See you soon.
See you later, dear.
We've done round one of our portage. This is what we spent a bunch of time yesterday cutting out. This here is Ottertail, the lake we were just on. And we've cut it all the way back there into Mel. We'll give you another look at it soon. Tim and I have to carry this canoe. It's not a great trail through that. Yay. So here is a decent look at our trail. It is tough to see with the camera. It's windy. There's some high hills. It goes down a ways. Carrying the canoe is not ideal. Very sweaty. Go down some hills. Lots of red tape in here. Very close to the end. It's quite long. I'm just showing a small snippet. Well, it's not quite long. Around the corner. A nice steep hill right here. Very steep. And here is Mel Lake. Wow. Amazing. Fishing for pike on Mel. Nothing yet. No fish, so we made it to our favorite beaver dam.
Yeah, we're here.
I don't know where the other two went.
Yeah,
They probably passed away.
but we're cuters, so it's all good.
Wow.
A northern bike for Katrina.
Katrina doesn't fish, but she's a pro.
We are Katrina with her second of the day, the rest of us with a combined 0.
Well, we have all of us switched to spoons, and it paid off because very quickly I reeled in, I don't know, he's about 24 inches. This is my second cast after switching to a spoon. These guys in the other canoe have reeled in quite a few, and it's going good. We've all got a fish now. Never mind. Katrina has 5 of our 7. I guess 8 if you count that one. Done fishing. Out onto our portage, onto the road from Mel. We're pretty much done.
Sad to leave.
Lots of fishies. We did it. We made it. Grandpa's here to pick us up, the legend. Wow.
So you
Finally did it.
You don't need these.
Well, we'll see when we get that on, if we need them or not.
How do you guys feel?
Like I want to die.
I haven't drank since the island, so.
Yeah, I'm also very thirsty. My face is dried.
That was definitely our worst portage.
Give a shout out to Grandpa though.
I already did.
Oh, on the video?
Yep.
Thanks for picking us up, Gramps.
Cookies!
Yeah!